Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna talk to you about three engine oils: the Motul 300V, the Liquimoli Street 10W40, and the stock Yamaha. Before going into that, I want to tell you something else. Sorry, I was wrong. The Liquimoli Street I had been used was not a fully synthetic engine oil. I bought it from Amazon. When I bought it, it showed me that it was a fully synthetic oil, but now it's showing that it is a semi-synthetic engine oil, and luckily I didn't get any issues while I used it. Now let's talk about motor. I am using this engine oil since my bike reached 42,000 kilometers, and now I am at 47,000 kilometers, and still I am using it. Comparing to the stock Yamaha, both the engine oils performs very well. The first thing is the cooling efficiency of the engine oils. When I use the Yamaha, I have felt the engine heat on my legs. When I changed to Liquimoli and Motul, I didn't feel anything like that. Also, the engine cools down very quickly on Motul, then Liquimoli, and at last the Yamaha. The next thing is about the gear shifting. The Liquimoli has done an excellent job in gear shifting. The upshift and downshift are very smooth compared to the others. On Motul, the downshifting is a little bit harder, but it's okay. And the subscription channel will be smooth. While considering the engine vibration, Liquimoli offers a less vibration than Motul at a higher RPM, but these were far better than the Yamaha. And guys, another thing I want to tell you is change your engine oil during a period of 5 to 6 months or at a range of 5,000 kilometers to 6,000 kilometers, and don't ruin your engine without changing the engine oil. Changing the engine oil at correct time will help to increase your engine's life. And some companies will tell that the oil can be run up to a 10,000 kilometers. Guys, don't go for it. Just change your oil after a 6,000 kilometers maximum. And don't buy a semi-synthetic engine oil. Yeah, I have made a mistake, and you guys don't do it. Go for a fully synthetic engine oil, and its rating is 10W40. And another thing is that don't use an engine flush. Yeah, it can ruin your engine's life. I have talked to a lot of mechanics, and none of them are recommending it. And I also searched on internet, and I didn't get any good result after using that engine flush and all that. The engine flush can help to remove the sludge and other deposits in the engine. It's only recommending after a long-term use of your bike, like a 40 or 50,000 kilometers.
Also, the chemicals in the engine flush can damage your sealings in the engine.
So that's the reason the people who are asking me, yeah, why don't you use that engine flush? I didn't get any increase in performance or increase in mileage after changing the stock engine oil, but I noticed a slight change in sound, which was nice. Overall, I think Liquimoli Street is a good engine oil because of low cost and greater performance. But as you know, it's not a fully synthetic engine oil, so I can recommend it to you. So, what will be a good engine oil for great value? The next engine oil I am going to use is Liquimoli Race 10W40. It is a fully synthetic engine oil, and I will put on the review as soon as possible. If your services are completed, change the stock engine oil. I can't recommend the Yamaha because of its poor performance. Also, the Yamaha builds a good refined engine for all their bikes, so only use the grade which has been recommended to your bike. One thing I forgot to mention is if you are using a FZ R5 or MT15, change your engine oil at 3000 to 4000 km because you guys only need a 1 liter engine oil. For FZ25 we have to use 1.35 liters. The manufacturers like Liquimoli and Motul are doing an excellent job. Yeah, change your engine oil and see the magic. Also, the next video will be about Apollo versus Seat tires. I don't want to add that review in this video because I don't want you guys to give a quick or sudden review. I need to study it on a long-term usage. After that I will put a review as soon as possible. So that's all. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, if you have any suggestions or doubts, write it on the comment section below, and a sub to the channel will be amazing. Always wear a helmet and drive carefully. Peace out.